Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message doesn't resonate with you, Sagittarius, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as this is going to be a general energy reading. It may or may not resonate with every single Sagittarius out there. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into your reading here, Sagittarius. The first card that I've got for you here is the Queen of Cups. So you could be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or someone with a strong water sign in their chart, as well as air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini here. I do feel like for some of you who are actually dealing with a water sign, I'm definitely sensing like a new beginning coming up for you here. But at the same time, I do feel like you're kind of feeling confused, because I do feel like your person is definitely wants to come back towards you, starting to have a new journey with you here, Sagittarius. But due to some reason, you're just feeling confused, or you're just feeling unsure if you can trust them or you can actually let them in. That kind of energy I'm getting here. For those of you, I do feel like the Queen of Cups is representing you, in a sense that I do feel like you're someone who is highly intuitive. You could also have empathic gift here, as well as you could also have this healing, like a natural healer kind of vibe coming up from you here, Sagittarius. And I do feel like with this Two of Swords energy, I'm definitely sensing like at this point of time, you're currently at the state of crossroad, or even in the month of, like, basically it's going to continue until the month of July. I feel like this is mostly regarding love situation, or regarding a relationship situation here, Sagittarius, that you're just basically unsure whether you can trust this person, or whether you should just like completely let go of this person. That kind of energy I'm getting here for you, Sagittarius. I've got the Tower card coming out for you, so this is an indication towards me that could be a conflict, or like a tower moment that happened within you and your person, that is basically just making you like unsure on what you need to do, on what decision that you need to make here. I've got the Nine of Pentacles coming up for you here, so I do feel like for some of you, you could actually be single at this point of time, or you could actually just going through a separation recently here with this tower card here. You could be dealing with another fire sign, especially Aries, a strong Aries I'm getting here, Sagittarius. And I've got the Eight of Pentacles coming up here as well. So I do feel at this point of time, your focus here is just like building up yourself, building up your career, building up your finances, because I've got the Nine of Pentacles coming up here as well. So like this is basically an indication towards me of progress. Like, I do feel like you're kind of like slowly but gradually progressing in your personal life here after this separation with your person. I've got the Emperor coming up here, so some of you could actually having your own business, or even like getting a promotion, getting a new job with a good position here, or even a promotion into a much more higher position coming up here for you, Sagittarius. With this Empress card, I'm also getting that you could be dealing with someone who could be a little bit a control freak, I would say, like someone who wants to be in control all the time here. That kind of energy I'm getting as well. And I do feel like at this point of time, again, I do feel like at this point of time, your focus is just like wanting to build your career, wanting to build your finances. But I do feel like your person is basically trying to come back towards you here. And this is what making you feeling confused, or just making you feeling unsure all together here. I've got the Five of Wands coming up for you here, so there could be an inner conflict within yourself here, Sagittarius, that you're just basically unsure, because I do feel like at this point of time, lots of confusion here coming up here. And I do feel like this is mostly coming up from the place that you're just unsure if you can trust this person. Is this person like real, that they have changed? That kind of energy I'm getting here. If you're actually dealing with an Aries, you can actually look out for the Aries reading, because I do feel like for those who are actually dealing with Aries, definitely lots of healing is coming through in that reading. So I do feel like this is also why you kind of like unsure here if this person is actually real, or if this person has actually changed here. But I've got the Four of Wands coming up for you, which I got the same card with the Aries reading as well. So I'm definitely sensing like for those of you Sagittarius who are actually dealing with Aries, please look out for that reading. With this Four of Wands card, I'm definitely sensing that reconciliation, a strong reconciliation coming up here, as well as a strong twin flame connection coming up here for you Sagittarius. I'm definitely sensing lots of progress. Again, I've got the Four of Wands to the Five of Wands. So lots of progress is basically taking place in your life at this point of time, or coming up in the month of July here Sagittarius. I've got the Eight of Cups coming up for you. So yeah, I'm definitely sensing that you had walked away from something toxic, something negative here, that you just basically, okay, I'm done with this, I'm just going to move forward for my own happiness, I'm just going to move forward for, you know, I'm just going to move towards my dream here, I'm just going to fulfill my dream. That kind of energy I'm getting here from you Sagittarius. So I do feel like even though that you have actually walked away from this person, now this person is wanting to come back towards you, saying that they have changed and they want to have a second chance coming up here as well Sagittarius. I've got the Ace of Pentacles coming up for you. So I'm definitely sensing that your person basically saying that they want to restart the relationship with you, they want to restart things between the two of you again with this Ace of Pentacles, because this time they basically have realized what they have lost. And this is with this Ace of Pentacles, I'm definitely sensing a strong, like someone who wants to restart things and someone who wants to start something with a new beginning. Like this is, I'm definitely sensing like a committed relationship offer coming up from your person here Sagittarius. This is definitely going to be up to you, because at this point of time I'm definitely sensing a lots of confusion, lots of unsure coming up from you here Sagittarius. I've got the Queen of Wands coming up for you. So again, this is basically an indication towards me the decision is ultimately going to be yours, because you're coming up as a Queen of Wands here, and I've got the Nine of Pentacles coming up here as well again. So I think for some of you, you would actually just decide to just wait for a minute, or like just to see on how genuine the offer is, or how genuine your person wants to have this reconciliation and want to have this committed relationship with you. But I'm definitely sensing like this person wants to have, like this person definitely coming up as a changed person here. I've got the King of Wands coming up for you as well. So whenever I do a love reading or even a general reading like this, if I've got the King and the Queen of Wands coming up at the same time here, this is basically an indication towards me a soul connection coming up between the two of you, which I've already got the Four of Wands coming up here. So this is definitely a strong soul connection, even a possibility of a twin flame connection coming up for you here Sagittarius. So the decision is ultimately going to be yours. I'm definitely sensing that your person is definitely coming up from the place of genuine, like they definitely wants to restart something. Like this is the Page of Pentacles is basically someone who wants to have a committed relationship, because I'm definitely sensing that your person is definitely going to put work. With this three of Pentacles energy, I'm definitely sensing that there will be an equal work, there will be equal give and take be putting up into the relationship itself here. And for those of you who are actually single or actually already in a relationship, this Ace of Pentacles could be an indication towards me a new job offer or a new promotion coming up from you here, because the Page of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles also an indication towards me all this hard work that have been putting into yourself here Sagittarius is finally going to be rewarded. And for some of you, I do feel like the month of July is basically a good month for you to start a new business. For those of you who have actually been thinking of starting a new business as well here, it's basically a good month to actually start a new business in the month of July here Sagittarius. The bottom of the deck I've got for you here is the Hangman card. So I do feel at this point of time you're definitely going to take a time for yourself. You're definitely just going to surrender and let go here, and just to see how things move on what your person will actually do here. But I've got the King of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands coming up here. So with this Knight of Wands, I'm definitely sensing that I'm definitely sensing this like someone who is kind of like knowing that they've made a mistake, so they want to have a second chance with you. That kind of energy I'm getting here. And with this King of Pentacles, I'm definitely sensing that your person has actually going through a lot of transformation here. Like this is someone who's actually have gone through lots of transformation, becoming more mature, becoming more grounded within themselves. And this is also an indication towards me that financially I'm not seeing any issue for you in the month of July as well. Alright, so that's it for your July 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.